Welcome back, everyone. Well, here it is, later in the week. I guess I lied. I took a few days to get some stuff done, and then finished it off with some nice violent illness. Let me tell you, if you got medical professionals in the family, just don't visit them. It's not worth it. But I did lose 5 pounds. Anyway, Ed's got all these lower pieces made up for me. Now I just gotta put this wiring in. But we've got a special situation with this one box here. Since this is the only box so far in the dome-shaped portion of the exterior, there's not as much depth available here. We need another 1/4 of an inch, which the plywood can spare, fortunately. I'm going to have to route a little recess in here to get this box in. And now the freehand part. And there it is. Problem solved. So, I was dismantling this light box to take it out of the wall so I can look at fishing new wires into here. And when I pull on this, it appears this entire sheet of drywall, which is part of this whole question of why this thermostat is over here away from its original location, which was over there, which it needs to return to. This whole sheet is not attached to the wall, except maybe at the corner and the edge of the door here. So it's clearly not original and is concealing a couple of items we need to address here. It would be much easier to do this work if we were to just take it down. And I see no reason not to do so. It's almost there already. We of course want to be careful with this thermostat and the door trim. But otherwise, it's just poorly installed drywall. Unscrew, unscrew. I see. The thermostat is held on with paint. And conceals a highly sophisticated play on words. Yeah, I think we were gonna have to do something with this piece of trim anyway.
Did it fall off?
No, I'm noting the bottom of it.
Oh.
Looks like it was owned by a dog. Careful. That's got a gallon of caulk in it. I think we can do better than that. the fasteners. At least 5 of them. Yeah, whatever these things are actually for, that's not what they're for. They're for doing this. Oh, there's some new lumber back here. They cut half of that corner out. Yep, okay, there's the original conduit. Looks like that might have gone conduit all the way there. But it's not to be trusted below the floor, of course. I'm gonna resupply this in a different way. But now it'll be plenty easy to fish to. And get to this light switch for the bathroom and do the same. Yeah, okay. So that used to get its power from the light switch in the bathroom. Got its power from the next thing in that direction. We'll give this its own circuit now, since it does include an outside receptacle and all out in the driveway there, and the lighting. But yeah, it appears that they rotted out this corner once and replaced it. Got the whole bottom half of this corner is a separate piece of lumber. I wonder if it's joined in any way. And oh look, slotted screws. Nice. And that not attached to the bottom plate. And this poorly attached to the bottom plate. That rotten. Yep, there's some work to be done there. Oh, I'm going to put a block in here to actually support this light fixture, because no one will see. Okay, there's all of that in place. I've left this off here so that we can get the wires in the bottom easily. The 2 that will go out to the yard, to that mess, after we do some boring under the sidewalk here. Everything else is ready to go. We just need short wire from here to where the light hangs on the wall outside. Here we have a new switch leg for the bathroom light fished in there, which will probably also control a ventilation fan now. And then we have our entrance light here hanging on a real block. It's sturdy now and has a new wire to feed it going all the way across here and comes through here where it can get into this other panel and is up here ready for the new switch box. And now, since we have this damage and crappy repair here and this shabby drywall finishing job out here, and we need to access that receptacle down there, and the light switches over here, I think tomorrow we'll see what's behind this drywall. At least the lower sheet. So remember, if you'd like to donate to our restoration effort, you can do so at fullerdomehome.com, and I will put that address in the description of this video. And if you'd like to continue following our project and be notified when a video goes up, hit that subscribe button and click that bell thingy. Thanks for watching. I'll see you tomorrow.